Have you ever wondered what makes Mauritius a paradise? Today, we'll discover its stunning landscapes and vibrant culture. The goal is to inspire your next travel adventure. Start of the adventure. Begin at the underwater waterfall. Watch the extraordinary illusion of cascading oceans. Capture the breathtaking beauty that captivates every traveler. Next, dive into Port Louis. Experience lively streets filled with culture and history. Allow the vibrant colors and scents to amaze your senses. Transition to Le Morne Brabant. Stand in awe of this UNESCO heritage site. Discover the stories behind its majestic cliffs and rich history. Feel the tranquility of Flick and Flack. Walk along pristine beaches with glistening waters. Let the calming waves soothe your spirit. Move forward to Îlot Fouquet Lighthouse. Embrace its solitary beauty against the endless blue sea. This isolated monument tells tales of time passing by. Experience the lively atmosphere of Grand Bay. Witness colorful boats and excited travelers. Enjoy the vibrant energy that fills the air. Then, unwind at Le Morne Beach. Let the world slow down as you savor each wave's rhythm. This moment offers a peaceful escape from life's chaos. Curiosity leads us to Cap Malheureux. Admire the quaint red-roofed chapel overlooking the horizon. This quaint site symbolizes beauty and quiet faith. Next, sail to Île aux Bénitiers. Discover endless sandbanks and playful dolphins. This magical spot invites you to unwind and enjoy nature's wonders. Climb to Macondi Viewpoint. Marvel at dramatic cliffs spiraling into the sea. Capture the surreal views resembling paintings you've seen before. The journey continues at Bel Ombre and Riambel Beach. Experience vast stretches of untouched sand. Here, solitude meets serenity in every grain. Dive into the crystal lagoons of Îlot Serre. Seek adventure or simply relax by the water. This island gem promises unforgettable experiences. Ascend to Gunga Talao, the sacred crater lake. Feel the tranquility in this spiritual setting. Reflect and appreciate the beauty of this unique place. Immerse in the vibrant energy of Quatre Bornes. Explore markets overflowing with colorful spices and life. Each corner offers surprises that keep your heart racing. Finally, reach the shores of Bain-Bœuf. Walk on white sands, kissed by turquoise waters. Each step deepens your connection to this island's magic. As the sun begins to set, Mauritius reveals its hidden treasures. The vibrant colors and scenes leave lasting memories. Remember, these wonders remain in your imagination forever. Now, get inspired to explore Mauritius yourself. Embrace the spirit of adventure. The island's wonders await you. Have you ever felt the urge to travel somewhere truly extraordinary? Imagine standing on the shores of Bain-Bœuf, the sun casting golden hues across the sand, where each wave whispers tales of adventure. The allure of Mauritius lies not just in its sights, but in the vibrant heartbeat of its culture that calls you to explore. As we venture deeper into this tropical paradise, let your senses be awakened by the fragrant spices wafting through the bustling markets of Quatre Bornes. Here, the lively atmosphere invites your curiosity, urging you to taste the local delicacies that signify the island's rich heritage. Each vibrant stall, brimming with colors, offers a unique experience, promising to delight every traveler's palate and heart. Next, we journey to Gunga Talao, a sacred crater lake where the atmosphere feels imbued with reverence. Surrounded by lush greenery, this serene setting beckons you to pause and reflect, allowing the tranquility to envelop your spirit. As you take in the stunning views, you can't help but appreciate the island's rich spirituality and the cultural significance of this treasured site. Transitioning from spiritual serenity, we sail towards the breathtaking Île Surf, where adventure and relaxation intertwine. The soft white sands invite you to explore as the crystal-clear lagoons sparkle under the sun. Here, the choices seem endless. Whether you seek excitement in water sports or prefer the soothing rhythm of the waves lapping at the shore, every moment feels magical. As you soak in the sun's warmth, indulge in the natural beauty that surrounds you, a paradise where every heartbeat syncs with the island's vibrant pulse. With your spirit uplifted, let's traverse to the majestic Bel Ombre and Riambel Beach. Here, the vast stretches of untouched sand unveil a serene escape, inviting you to lose yourself in the beauty of solitude. As you walk along the shore, the gentle whispers of the waves create a symphony that calms the mind, allowing the beauty of nature to sink in. Each grain of sand beneath your feet holds a story of this enchanting place, ensuring that every moment spent here is etched into your memory. As we venture onward, our next destination is the stunning Makonda viewpoint, where the cliffs dramatically plunge into the azure sea below. Here, the vistas stretch endlessly, each angle revealing a breathtaking panorama that has inspired many artists and adventurers. Standing at this incredible lookout, it's hard not to feel a deep connection to nature as the wind dances around you and the waves crash against the rocks. Let your camera capture the surreal beauty of this landscape, an experience that will leave you breathless and yearning to return. As our journey continues, we set our sights on the charming village of Cap Maluro. Here, the striking red-roofed chapel stands as a symbol of faith and beauty, juxtaposed against the vast expanse of the turquoise ocean. Strolling along the coast, you can feel the gentle breeze carrying whispers of past stories, each step revealing the serene charm that this quaint location holds. It's a place to reflect, to breathe deeply, and to appreciate the simple joys that make Mauritius sound forgettable. As we sail towards Île aux Bénitiers, the tantalizing sight of endless sandbanks unfolds before you. The playful dolphins, frolicking in the waves, greet us, inviting moments of joy and laughter. Here, nature weaves a tapestry of wonder, urging you to embrace the serenity of this idyllic escape. As we embark on this journey through Mauritius, let the sun's warm embrace guide you to each breathtaking vista and cultural oasis. With each passing moment, the island offers not just sights, but also an invitation to immerse yourself in the extraordinary. The memories created here whisper of adventures yet to come. As you stroll along the charming streets of Port Louis, allow the vibrant murals and bustling bazaars to draw you deeper into the local life. The sounds of laughter, the scent of street food, and the rhythm of music blend, creating a lively symphony unique to this city. Each encounter with friendly vendors reveals personal stories that resonate with the spirit of community here. As you meander through Port Louis, take a moment to sip a cup of Mauritian tea, its warmth echoing the island's hospitality. The rich flavors invite you to pause, reminding you that in each sip lies a culture steeped in tradition. Be sure to try a fresh samosa, where the crispy pastry encases spiced potatoes, each bite bursting with the vivid essence of Mauritius. Amidst the allure of Port Louis, let us journey to Le Morne-Brabant next. As you approach this majestic UNESCO heritage site, the tales of resilience and escape echo through the cliffs, intertwined with the whispers of the winds. Stand at its base and take in the panoramic view, feeling the blend of history and nature. Breathe life into every moment spent here. As the daylight dances over the rocks, allow its beauty to inspire a sense of wonder as you contemplate the stories that unfold in this sacred landscape. Set your sights on the stunning flick and flack, where the sun-drenched beaches stretch endlessly before you. Feel the soft, powdery sand between your toes as you meander along the shoreline, the rhythmic waves serenading your journey. Each step serves as a reminder to appreciate the serenity that surrounds you, forming an unbreakable bond with this tropical paradise. This moment invites you to pause, breathe deep, and let the breathtaking views fill your soul, reminding you of the sheer beauty present in every detail of Mauritius. As you bask in the sun, let the gentle sea breeze whisper tales of joyful discoveries waiting just beyond the horizon. As we depart the peaceful shores of Flic and Flac, we set off towards the iconic Île-aux-Fouquets lighthouse. Standing tall, this solitary beacon serves as a reminder of the island's maritime heritage. The azure sea glistens under the sun, providing a stunning backdrop as you explore its surrounding waters. Each gentle wave lapping against the shore invites you to step closer, embracing the tranquility and solitude that envelops this hidden gem. Feel the salty breeze on your skin as you reflect on the symphony of nature surrounding you. Each moment here is a testament to the beauty that defines Mauritius. The tales held within this lighthouse resonate through the ages, offering visitors a glimpse into a time long past. As you continue your adventure, allow the island's history to weave seamlessly with the breathtaking scenery, fostering an appreciation that warms your heart. As we leave the enchanting Île-aux-Fouquets lighthouse behind, our journey leads us to Grand Bay, a bustling hub known for its vibrant beach scene and lively ambience. The picturesque bay glimmers under the sun, bordered by colorful fishing boats and friendly locals who greet you with warm smiles. Engage in the contagious energy around you as tourists explore trendy shops and indulge in delicious street food, ensuring there's never a dull moment. Embrace the chorus of laughter and lively chatter that fills the air, each sound echoing the island's welcoming spirit. The thrill of this destination invites you to dive into its rich cultural experiences and savor the unique essence of Mauritius, making each moment spent here unforgettable. Delight in the enchanting atmosphere of Le Morne Beach, where the sand feels soft like silk beneath your feet. With the gentle sound of waves crashing rhythmically against the shore, this idyllic retreat becomes a sanctuary for rejuvenation. As you recline under the shade of swaying palm trees, allow your mind to drift away from the everyday hustle, immersing yourself in the serene beauty surrounding you. The vibrant hues of sunset painting the sky create a breathtaking backdrop, reminding you to embrace each fleeting moment in this tropical paradise. Here, time slows and the world's worries seem to vanish, offering a perfect escape that speaks directly to your soul. As we continue our journey, curiosity pulls us towards Cap Malheureux, where the iconic red-roofed chapel stands sentinel over the serene coastline. Here, the contrast of vibrant architecture against the azure waves paints a vivid picture, drawing visitors to reflect on the spiritual essence this site embodies. Strolling along the shore, feel the gentle caress of the ocean breeze as it carries whispers of tranquility, inviting you to fully immerse in the peaceful surroundings. Each step reveals the beauty of this quaint village, where time seems to slow down, enriching your experience with every moment spent appreciating its charm. As we set sail towards the enchanting Île aux Bénitiers, prepare to be welcomed by a stunning landscape of pure bliss. The sight of endless white sandbanks invites exploration, while playful dolphins dance in the surrounding waters, their presence adding to the joyful spirit of this magical place. Here, the atmosphere is a perfect blend of tranquility and excitement, enchanting visitors with every wave that laps at the shore. With each moment spent soaking in the sun, laughter and delight fill the air, enhancing the sense of freedom and adventure that comes with discovering this island paradise together. From the shores of Île aux Bénitiers, we ascend to Maconda Viewpoint, a hidden gem that reveals spectacular panoramas of the rugged coastline. Stand at the precipice and let the sweeping vistas mesmerize you. The cliffs plunge dramatically into the shimmering ocean below. The air feels charged with the energy of nature, and every sight captures the essence of Mauritius's beauty. As your heart races with excitement, take a deep breath, savoring the moment where land and sea unite in breathtaking harmony. As we venture onward to the serene Bel Ombre and Riambel Beach, feel the vast stretches of untouched sand welcoming you. The gentle sound of waves caressing the shore creates a peaceful melody, inviting you to lose yourself in the natural beauty surrounding you. Each step taken along this pristine coastline allows for quiet reflection and a chance to appreciate the solitude found in such breathtaking scenery. The sun showers down golden rays, dancing upon the crystal-clear waters, wrapping you in warmth and tranquility. Breathe deeply, for this moment encapsulates the very essence of relaxation, a cherished memory etched into your heart. As our journey unfolds, we find ourselves mesmerized by the enchanting allure of the crystal lagoons of Île aux Cerfs. The gentle lapping of the waves invites you to explore the pristine shores, each step revealing a palette of vibrant colors painted by nature itself. Here, adventure awaits. You can choose from exhilarating water sports or simply bask in the sun's warmth, letting the tranquility wash over you. As you take in the breathtaking scenery, allow the island's charm to captivate your senses, creating memories that shimmer as brightly as the azure waters surrounding you. Each moment spent in this paradise feels fleeting yet eternal, a precious reminder of the beauty that life offers. As we ascend to Gunga Talao, prepare to be enveloped by the sacredness of this serene crater lake. The lush greenery surrounds you like a comforting embrace, inviting you to reflect on the beauty that thrives here. Feel the peace settle within, as the gentle rustle of leaves harmonizes with the soft whispers of the wind. In this tranquil haven, the spirit of spirituality reigns supreme, reminding you of the profound significance this site holds for the locals. Breathe in the crisp, pure air and allow yourself to be fully present, absorbing the magnetic energy that flows through this cherished landmark. Let this moment of quiet contemplation inspire you, reconnecting you with nature and your inner self as you partake in this truly magical journey through Mauritius. As we delve into the vibrant markets of Cote d'Ivoire, allow the colorful stalls and aromatic spices to ignite your senses. The lively chatter of locals fills the air, creating a symphony of life that envelops you. Each corner offers a delightful surprise, inviting you to immerse yourself deeper into the culture woven throughout the island. Mauritius, a tapestry of breathtaking landscapes and captivating culture, awaits explorers eager to uncover its treasures. Each moment spent here tells a story of connection, adventure, and serenity, nurturing a deep love for this tropical paradise that lives on in your heart forever.